I ain't never been the Barbie doll type. No, I can't swig that sweet champagne. I'd rather drink beer all night in a tavern or in a honky tonk or on a four-wheel drive tailgate. Well, I got posters on my wall of Skinner, Kid and Straight. Some people look down on me, and I don't give a rip. I stand barefooted in my own front yard with a baby on my hip, 'cause I'm a redneck woman. I ain't no high-class bride. I'm just a product of the raisin, and I sing hey-oh-la-dee-da. I keep my Christmas lights on my front porch all year long, and I know every word to every Charlie Daniels song. So here's to all my sisters out there keeping it country. Oh, let me get a big hell yeah from the redneck girls like me. Victoria's Secret, well, their stuff's real nice.